Hello, this is Alex with GrowHow. Those two lines are where our four-wheel drive decided to come in yesterday on this grass field and play around while it was under irrigation. This is flood irrigated. It's an older area. And I want to show folks the damage that happens when you're simply not paying attention to what's around you. Now, it's not just the surface grass. This has actually got it's indented where he drove, and then it's squished out to the side. You can't really see that because the grass covers it. You think, oh, this is going to grow in. It's not going to grow in. It's going to take probably years for this to fully recover. Hopefully by the end of the season you won't see it. And now I've got divots, and the flood irrigation is going to find those divots, and we've got compressed grass, or sorry, compressed soil, and then we've got soil that's squished out on the sides. This is all really, it's just some dumb kid joyriding. And I talked to him, and I think he understands it was wrong, but I don't think he understands that this is going to be a long-term effect on this field. It's not in great shape. It's got clover in it, which I actually like. It's got black medic, which I don't like as much, but not a lot of people are walking on this barefoot, so that's okay. I say that damage isn't just going to disappear, and it is actual damage. So I encourage people, think about what you do before you do it. I know that most of the older, mature people aren't going to just go off on somebody else's field and think they can have their way through it because there's a water puddle there. And I'm sure it was fun until I yelled at them that I can't just repair this damage. I'm gonna have to let nature, and I doubt we're ever gonna aerate this. It's not really worth the aeration trouble, but I mean, I'm gonna be noticing this and mowing it when I mow it for years to come, or when other people mow it. So think about what you do beforehand. Think about the long-term effects. Think about the short-term effects. I mean, obviously short-term, we've got an issue here. Anyway, thank you for your time. Please hit the subscribe button below. Manana.